surviving quarantine?
I'm like halfway here and halfway like in La La Land.
Yeah. We're using the hashtag Craft for the Curve, which if you tag any of the projects that any of us crafters do that you can find down in the description box, over the next 15 days, 14 days now, we will be looking at those and we're going to be picking a winner that has a ton of cool sponsors, including me, Fiskars, Plaid Crafts. A lot of really cool craft brands have sponsored this giveaway, so we're really excited for it. So our goal in these next 15 days is to do crafts that are easy and with things that you already have. So we're going to be using some paper we have on hand, and I just printed out some Pinterest pictures of how to make paper airplanes. Let's pick one.
Oh.
We got a jet, or we've got a
jet.
Or we have this one that looks like it's from Star Wars. Now, see, she was knocking my craft until I pulled out the big guns, okay? Or should we call it the Top Gun? So, get it? Diagonals. I don't even know how to make paper airplanes, so this is kind of cool. You just fold off this flap to get your square. So that's how you get a square. It's easier anyways. Okay,
So you make a triangle.
so then you fold it the other way. Okay. Okay, I see you.
I got a triangle.
Like this.
I got this.
Well, that's how you make a triangle, guys. Do this. Okay, so open. Okay, so if we have it like this, it says open this, fold to make creasing. Now, okay, we're here. We're at the swan. Caca! Okay, you flatten. You. I feel like this is missing a step here. I also have a feeling that if we did this with regular paper, it might be easier. Now what? What does that do? And then it has a whoop-de-whoop.
Wait, but it goes fold, fold, fold.
Oh. How'd you get back there?
You had to...
Okay, hold on. Okay, I'm just going to fold this in. Okay, fold this in. Yep, just like this. And then I am Auntie Tay. I will figure this out. You stick with this one. Is it? Okay, ready? Flying test. It went around the neighborhood and just landed back here. So that was pretty successful. And then this is the jet. That was pretty successful too.
What does this even look like?
I think that we're like way too good to even try something so mediocre.
It doesn't even look that bad. It's even in Japanese. Like,
I'll just tell you, if it's in Japanese, it means that somebody who really knows how to fold paper made it, and that ain't us. So,
yeah, we're done
we'll
here.
see tomorrow. What should we make? Yesterday we made stippled rocks. Taught you guys how to paint stippled rocks. We'll come at you tomorrow with a really easy craft with things on hand. So don't forget to hashtag, if you like to make paper airplanes, post pictures on the internet, on Instagram, Facebook, all the things. Hashtagged with Craft for the Curve, and we'll be picking a winner on the last day of this. Au revoir.